So today I am at Kennedy Space Center, and I'm going to teach you about space. Look at all of these rockets. That is really cool.
Cradles like that on the back of their trucks to move them. So that's what that is, and SpaceX is out that way. On the left here, these three buildings you see, they used to be the orbiter processing facilities. This is where they would process the shuttles. Every astronaut that walked on the moon left from that launch pad. And it looks like there is a rocket erect on the right-hand side there, and that's currently leased by SpaceX. As I make this turn, you're going to see a segment of the flag painted to scale on the right here. Those stars are 6 foot, point to point. Now on the left-hand side, you're going to see a large gray structure. That is a mobile launch platform. This one's left over from the shuttle era, but if it gives you an idea of what the vehicle crawls under, picks up, and they stack a rocket on that mobile launch platform.
This is the control room of Apollo 8.
Final reports coming from Frank Borman at this time. Final look at the switch list aboard the spacecraft. 20 seconds, all aspects, we are still in go at this hour. T-minus 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. The ignition sequence start. The engines are on. 4.
This box is satisfied. Look at this. This is the biggest rocket ever built. And rockets actually come apart in pieces the higher they go up. Look how big that is. USA. Shows that this is the rocket that we built. I'm pretty sure this is the one used to get to the moon, I think. I don't know. Got the American flag. And then here are some more jets. Because it would come apart, higher it would go up. One more jet booster. Right there. And this would come on. And this is what we used to get to the moon. That was the machine we used. I don't know if it's the real thing. This is the machine that the people who went to the moon, including Neil Armstrong, would came down on to the moon on. You should carbon dating and touching the moon. There's another thing. This is a piece of the moon that I am touching. This is an actual space capsule. This went to outer space. It's brown because those are burn marks from re-entering the atmosphere. When you re-enter the atmosphere, this was on fire when it was re-entering the atmosphere. It was just like how a comet is on fire when it enters the atmosphere. This is the same day. This is a capsule. Is it a real one? Mm-hmm. And where are the burn marks?
I think this is a practice one.
This is part of a space shuttle. These are two solid fuel boosters, and that is a giant fuel tank. Of course, the space shuttles are no longer used.
Okay, just get your shoes on, baby. Breathe. You want to go back there? One more time.
About it. Look at it. So these gloves, see this? That is the whole. That was the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Hey, peace out, guys. Whoop.